Hi there, YouTubers. This is Lego Creator 1998. I build it so you can view it. And this is another one of my Lego Starship Transformers based on the character Air Raid from both Transformers War and Fall of Cybertron. I gotta say, this is one of my awesome Lego Transformers that I did, aside from Skylord. But I think it's pretty cool. I remember that I saw this one video of the Hasbro version of Air Raid, and I thought it totally sucked. No offense to you, Hasbro, but seriously, I think you guys can try a lot more harder. You got the plane wrong, and that's a big flatback. Unlike me, I actually got it more awesomer, a lot more correct. And if you guys know, well, hang on, let me rephrase that. If you guys have this game called Fall of Cybertron, if you happen to play with this guy named Bossman01, he usually plays this guy, Air Raid, except he has different wings. So, you might have seen him. So, this is what I did. And, P.S. I am Bossman01 from my PlayStation account. So yeah, here he is. There's his canopy here, his nose there. His gun turret right there, or his torpedo launcher, missile launcher, whatever. And these are his afterburners, his tails. I'm not quite sure what that is. I just added that there. I just thought it was cool if I should add it. Alright, here we go. Transformation time. Alright, so here's Air Raid in his robot mode. I gotta say, he is absolutely amazing. Except for his legs. I really do not like his legs, but they work nicely, but I just hate the fact that I could not find the right pieces to make them not look like Starscream's kind of legs. But what can you do? It's Lego. You can't make everything like that you want. So anyway, here's Air Raid. These are his shoulders. His engines and afterburners were his shoulders. His nose is his back. I twisted the nose, and here's his canopy right here. I did the wings so that they could stick up. And I like the head, sort of. I kind of like the head. I know it doesn't really look right. I don't know what's wrong with it, but anyway, I really like it. This is one of the greatest Transformers Legos I've ever did, aside from Skylord, which you saw from my last video. Okay, I don't know what else to say about him, to be quite honest. So, here he is. And, P.S. be sure to check out more of my videos of all the other Lego creations that I've done. Oh, and also, my friend and I, his name is Sir Lombaum. We made this thing called the Cameron and Austin Show. So be sure to please watch that. It's really funny. You're gonna love it. If not, then no one will judge you. But aside from that, I am the Lego Creator in 1998. I build it so you can view it. Alright, see you later.